I was supposed to come out with a new video for Earth Day, but I realized that instead of releasing it on Earth Day itself, why not release it belatedly? Because Earth Day should be celebrated every day. Every day we should be mindful with our trash. We should take care of the environment, and we should never take things for granted. So in this episode, I'm gonna show you one of our a cleanup activity by my friends, by me and my friends from the Cebu Content Creators. We went to the once famous Larawan Beach in Talisay and check out the status there and do our part by picking up trash and cleaning, removing trash from the beach for that day. It was one awesome and fulfilling activity. So check this video out. Hi guys, we're here at Talisay, the famous Larawan Beach. When I was a kid, Talisay is known for its beaches. We always associate this place that every Sunday people go to the beach, have some lechon. I mean, it's actually as popular as Mactan before. Although now, most city dwellers don't go to Talisay as often. Although, now that I came back here, I think a lot of people still go here to take a dip, especially during hot summer days. Check them out. One reason that this place is not as popular as before is that they say that this place is dirty. I mean, well, let's find out if indeed it's really dirty. Well, of course, trash is a common problem, and yeah, it's sad sometimes that there are some really good beaches that people just not mindful enough when it comes to trash. And the funny thing is, sometimes people blame the government for not doing anything, but the real culprit actually are the people. I mean, we use a lot of plastics and we don't know where to throw it, or we're just so used to that people will clean our trash after throwing it. So it's that happens in our malls, in our houses, in our fast food joints, or even in our beaches. So that's why some used to be popular tourist places are ruined because of trash. Kalami, Cebu. Isa sa pinakasikat din nila ilang inasal. So karon diri unsay nga silang tindahan? Sa Reyes lechon 500 ang kilo, ipalit mig tunga. Medyo hapon-hapon naman gud ni adto, wala may kaabot gyud. Itong init-init pa siya. Natay dugod-dugod re tag G's ang takos. So pakals na mi. Our hashtag for today is clean Cebu and leave no trace. So expect CJ to leave no trace in his plate.
It's clean.
He has to eat everything, even the bones, because he has to leave no trace.
Bones. Dili ko po.
Leave no trace sila. So one of the biggest problems right now when it comes to tourism is all about waste management, the trash, because I guess the Filipinos grew up with people cleaning up after their mess. So we normally have helpers, maids, yayas, ever since we were kids. So even in our malls, we have cleaners whose job is just pick up the trash left by customers and clean it up. In other countries, they clean up their own mess. So today, our group will basically come to this place like Larawan and see if the trash problem is there.
kalimutan na. Unsa mo dong? Ay, pagkita mo sa ini statement.
One of the worst trash that you can find on the beach are diapers. Please don't throw your diapers in the beach.
Check up. Ay, sige lang. Ako ba balik?
So, thank you for watching. I'm really sad sometimes that a lot of us are not mindful enough with our trash. I see a lot of plastic trash on the beach and people are just not caring. It's like people think it's normal to throw trash there. And for me, the worst part, I guess, are the diapers. Because, oh, come on, that's human waste that could cause diseases. And if it goes to the beach, it could really, it's a big pollutant. Not only the plastic, but also the waste that's there. Another bad thing, I guess, are the broken bottles. I mean, the bottles, don't throw it just anywhere because it might get broken and it could cause injuries, wounds that will be aggravated if our beach is polluted. And also the the food packaging. Come on, I mean, I was laughing, I was teasing my friends that your brand is not good enough if you are into the beach. Well, hey, the big brands like the big chicheria brands, come on, I mean, you should do a lot of clean up because it's your chips packaging or snack packaging that end up as the trash in the beach that could go to the mangroves and other areas. So guys, I hope I hope next time you're mindful, or at least throw it in the proper places for trash. Hey, let's celebrate Earth Day every day, and let's reduce plastic trash and help the environment. So thank you so much for watching this episode of my daily vlog, and please like and subscribe, and if you like this content, please share, or let's just say, please know the lessons in this one. So let's clean up our own mess and love Mother Earth. So leave no trash, guys.